Have you been scrolling through TikTok or Instagram and wondering how people are making money online with affiliate marketing? Let me show you. I'm going to break down the easiest way that you can get started with affiliate marketing. A lot of people, I feel, make it sound hard on how to get started, but I'm going to give you some easy step-by-step action plans to get started with affiliate marketing and get started making your commission online. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and you have a unique link and a customer buys from your link and you earn a commission. That's it. So simple, right? Think about the products that you already use and love. And it could be anything from beauty products, fitness supplements, it could be tech gadgets. So one of the things that I will tell you is a lot of digital products and software are some of the higher paid commission versus, selling a physical product. And the next thing that you will need to do is join an affiliate program. So we have a lot of different affiliate programs. One that I use is Amazon Associates. Definitely good for beginners. It does have more of a low commission. You have LTK, which is Like To Know, if you are a creator. So if you are into like fashion, home decor, like fitness, because of course, things that you would wear or use during workout, you can earn commission from those items on Like To Know. You do have Share a Sale, you have Impact, ClickFunnels, and Kajabi. ClickFunnels and Kajabi are more of the higher paid commissions. So all you have to do is just sign up, grab your link, and get started. So the best thing about this is you do not need a huge audience to get started with affiliate marketing. You can start with like short form videos. They could be videos, of course, like on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. You can create blog posts to promote the product. Example that I can give you is, just say if you are if you're promoting fitness supplements, right? So pretty much all you have to do is just simply create a video of your just pretty much your morning regimen, your morning routine. And if it's a digital tool, all you have to do is just show how to use it. Show your audience how to use the digital tool. I mean, it could be anything like FitnessPal, or if it's a tool that shows you how to calculate your calorie intake. You can just do a quick tutorial video on just the key features of that digital product. Then all you have to do is just add your link to your bio. Add your link even in an email list. So if you have already an email list of people already, you can just send them an email and simply have your link in that email. So I'm just going to give y'all a secret, right? So the secret sauce is, instead of waiting on people to randomly click on your link, you can drive traffic through search engines like Pinterest, TikTok, or you can always use a simple SEO strategy. With Pinterest, you can create a pin. That pin can either lead to your blog post, or it can lead to the landing page of your affiliate link. You can create TikTok Reels. TikTok Reels is where you can actually show your product in action. You show how this product can be used. You can show how you can show how you're loving this product, what this product do for you, and how it actually targets your pain points. Or Medium posts. That includes your affiliate link, and with that affiliate link, you get more eyes on your link. You get more eyes on your content, which equals more clicks and equals more commission. You start making your small commissions. So the next thing you want to do is you want to scale up, and the way that you're going to scale up is you're going to build an email list, and with this email list, you can promote directly to your customers. Also, create your own digital product. So with your digital product, you can connect that to the affiliate offer. So example, if you are, just say, a fitness instructor and you're selling fitness supplements, you can add a digital product like a fitness guide or a workout guide, or you can make a quick workout video, your best top 5 workouts to get abs. So that could be something that you can, you can use along with your affiliate product. Also, get money from your digital product as well, because you can charge for your digital product, or you can use it as a free product to where you can bring in leads to build your email list. So that's like strategies for that ads. To automate your content. You have schedulers like Later. I know if you have your affiliate link on, just say, if you have your affiliate link through platforms like beacons.ai, they have where you can automate your content. So basically, when people show that they're interested in your product or link, you can set it up where it automatically sends out that link without you having to go through each DM to send your followers your link. So it automatically does it. So I will tell you that affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? It is not. But with consistency, you can definitely start seeing some passive income where you will be making money in your sleep. I promise you. I don't lie to you. So, alright, so hopefully this information was helpful for you. So, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video. Also, leave some comments if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, about anything that I mentioned in this video. Just make sure you hit it down below in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.